Hello guys and welcome to our channel Sam Codes. Apart from a coding lecture, today I am introducing a new concept that can help you to get your dream job. So here we go. जॉब ढूंढ रहे हो, लिंक्डइन पे रेफरल मांग मांग के और नौकरी पे रिज्यूम अपडेट करके थक चुके हो? So AideWiser Soltek, it is a recruitment consultancy located in Asian Silicon Valley, Bangalore. AideWiser Soltek is a startup by Mr. Pranav Bansode. We are giving you the opportunities of internship, part-time job, full-time job in respective MNCs and startup in Indian market. We have opening IT, non-IT sectors like Flutter developer, Java developer, program manager and many more. So finally, don't wait for opportunities, push yourself and create your own opportunities with the help of AideWiser. Go and grab it. So just send your resume recruit@aidewiser.co.in and for more updates follow the Instagram and YouTube channel, link given in the description. Recruitment मतलब AideWiser.